Aaron McGinnis. I'm the lead maintenance here at the stables and also the guru for the South Central Division. Today we're going to go over just regular maintenance on greasing your machines before you use them. Bobcat recommends grease these units every 10 hours minimum, and if you're using them in heavy dirt in a new construction or something like that, you would want to grease them every day if you can. They also want you to grease them until you see just a little bit of new grease coming out. Push all the old grease out that's got all the dirt and everything in it. Until you see grease coming out, you'll be good. This particular unit has 11 different dessert fittings on it. There's one here. There's one back here at the back. You come around here, there's one at this pivot point here. You got one inside here. Down here on the arms. On this particular one with the tracks, you also have two grease fittings down here in these tracks. You just want to keep the tracks with a little bit of tension on them, not too tight, and you just don't want them really sagging out. The grease fittings in here, there's two of them. One of them is to let grease out if you're going to replace the tracks, and the other one is to put grease in. Then you come around the front. This machine has the manual arms on it, not the hydraulic one, so you got to pull up, but there's also a dessert fitting here, as well as up on the top and down on the bottom. You can also come back into the back here on the inside of your door. Right down here, there's always going to be a diagram down there with all the reserve fittings on there. I hope this helps. Keep your machine good. If you don't keep your machines greased, it can also wear out the pivot points, the pins and stuff like that. So we always want to keep those machines greased up. Thank you and have a good day.